Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a wonderful and easy to make tiffin recipe, and we are going to make this with chickpeas. We're going to make these soft and delicious chickpea pancakes. They're very tasty and very simple to make. So let's get started and check it out. Here are the ingredients needed for this recipe. I have taken 1 cup of chickpeas. It's a 250 ml cup. I have soaked the chickpeas for about 6 hours. Drain the water and transfer it to a mixer jar. To this, add 3 green chilies cut, piece of ginger chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few fresh curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, few fresh coriander leaves, half cup of curd, and grind it without adding any water. Once half ground, open the mixer jar, just add a little water, scrape off the sides and mix well. Grind them again to a slightly coarse mixture. The batter should be thick, not runny. Transfer the batter to a bowl. To the batter, mix in half a cup of finely chopped shallots. If you don't have shallots, regular onions will do. Give it all a nice mix. As you can see, the batter is quite thick. Let's dilute this by adding just a little water. Gradually add water and give it all a nice mix till you get the right consistency. Heat a tawa. I'm using a non-stick tawa here, but any tawa works. Take a ladle full of the batter and spread it evenly on the tawa. Drizzle some ghee around the edges and cook on medium flame. If you notice, this is just an instant tiffin recipe, no fermentation needed. Once it is cooked on one side, gently flip it onto the other side and cook again until golden brown. When cooked on both the sides, remove it from the tawa and transfer it to a serving plate. Healthy and nutritious chickpeas pancakes are ready. Serve it with coconut chutney or any chutney of your choice. If you soak the chickpeas overnight, your breakfast is sorted for the next day. You can also make this as a tasty evening snack for kids. The chickpea pancakes have come out so well and I can't wait to try them. I'm going to have it with some nice fresh coconut chutney. It's so flavorful and it's so soft. It's a very nice, wholesome and very filling tiffin, I would say. These protein-rich and healthy pancakes are a great tiffin that you can make either for evening or for a nice morning breakfast. So you can enjoy it with any chutney of your choice. I'll give you a couple of links to the chutney recipes. Do check them out. So do give this a try and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.